Hello and welcome to the EllPem Art drawing channel. I've set this channel up to share my passion for drawing and to build a community of both artists and non-artists who just love the medium. I am mainly a pencil artist but do use other utensils such as alcohol-based markers that you'll see me use in this video. I draw all types of subjects including fan art from Pixar characters to sci-fi shows, things like that. I do aviation art and I do love to do wildlife art. You can find my portfolio on Instagram. I also have a website and I also sell particularly my wildlife art on Redbubble, which you can have. You can do prints, you can have them on mugs, you can have them on mouse mats, things like that if you like them. They do ship all over the world. I have sold things to all different countries all over the world as far as Australia, which is very nice and I am very grateful for. I'll leave all those links in the description for this video. But in this video you can see I'm drawing a relatively simple character, but it's a firm favourite of mine. You can't beat the original Mickey Mouse. On this channel, so before I finish, on this channel I'll mainly be doing time-lapse videos so that you can see the process and my methods, but ultimately this channel is a bit of fun, and you know, if you like my content, please subscribe, like and share it. Please leave comments. You know, if you want to see me draw anything, you can send me messages, anything like that. If you have any tips or things you'd like to know, please just message me or comment, anything like that. So I'll leave you now to enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching.